Hey everyone, welcome back. If you're wondering what RTP means in CoinUp Arcade, here's a simple explanation. RTP stands for Return to Player. It represents the expected percentage of all bets that a game pays back to players over a long period of time. RTP is always shown as a percentage, and it can vary from one game to another. Keep in mind that every spin is random, so luck plays a huge role in whether you win or lose. Because of this, your personal RTP during a short gaming session may be much higher or much lower than the game's advertised RTP. So, how is RTP calculated? It's based on the results of millions of simulated spins. Once a slot game has been thoroughly tested and assigned an RTP value, it is released with that official percentage. If you want to see a game's RTP, you can usually find it in the game's pay table or game information section. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more crypto tutorials. Thanks for watching.